In reply to the first question, some said that the king must prepare a timetable. That means they asked the king to fix a timetable, and then he should follow according to that. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. By following the timetable, they told that he can do the right thing at the right time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, and they also said that he should be noticing all the ongoings. Only due to that, he can decide in advance for doing something at the right time. And he should avoid foolish pleasures. That means he should not always be engaged in his personal activities and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. They also said he would need a council of members. What do you mean by a council? Council. A group of members chosen to give advice or to make rules. So they suggested him to need a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man found it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. So the king cannot decide alone what is the right time to do something in advance. So they advised him to need a council of wise men. But then others said that there were few things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. Some matters will be urgent. So such matters cannot wait for the decision of the council. At that time, what he wanted to do, in order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future. So in advance, he wanted to know the future. Who will do this? And only magicians could do that. And only magicians. How? The king therefore would have to go to the magicians. Magicians can guide the king. They suggested that the magicians can guide the king about the future in advance. In their answers to the second question, some said, what is the second question? Which people should he listen to? For that, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. So, who is the counselor? So, there is some other word called counselor. So, don't confuse with this word counselor. Who is the counselor? He is a member of the council. He is a member of the council. See, counselor. Counselor is spelled Councillor. Counselor is a Counsellor. So, counselor is the one who can guide on personal or psychological problems. So, these are the two different words you should know. Yes, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. They are the group of, member of the council. Others said the priest. Why would they say the priest? The priest would be advising the king what to do or what not to do. A few others chose the doctors. So the doctors, they can know the diseases, they can cure the diseases. So they are important, they said. And yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. So how are the soldiers necessary? So they were the one who fight with their enemies to protect their kingdom. The third question. Some said, which is the important thing to do? Some said science. How would science help us, the king? Science. Science can, some scientists may be there, they will invent new things and the technology will improve, like that. Others chose fighting. So, why did they say fighting? why did they say fighting? Fighting means a king should be a great warrior. So he should be involved in fighting also. And yet others, religious worship. And they also said he should be always engaged in religious matters. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. The king was not satisfied with any of these answers. He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Now, who is a hermit? Hermit is a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Now, let's stop the explanation here. These are the difficult words we came across. Counsel, counselor, hermit, counselor. And children, I want you to frame your own sentence using these words in the next session. So let us continue the next explanation in the next session. Thank you.